My name is Brian White. We've been in business at the farm here in Troon since 2017. We purchased the property. We decided to put in solar as part of our Regenerative Organic Certification. Part of that certification is reducing our carbon footprint, and there's a variety of ways that we do that on the property with cover cropping, no-till, and things of that nature that help to reduce carbon emissions. Part of it was to do the right thing environmentally, but secondarily it helps us with our certification, because obviously we've been able to reduce our footprint by replacing, we have 5 electric vehicles on the property that are used on a daily basis that have all were previously fossil fuels, trying to understand what our needs were. So we went all the way through the process of having our electrician fill out a load sheet, and then they took that and came up with a proposal for the size system that we would need. And then they gave us, basically an analysis of what the expenses would be, what we would get back from rebates, and then what the return on investment, how long it would take us to recoup the dollars. So I thought it was very professionally done and presented, and we were able to understand clearly kind of, what our expenses were going to be. The install process was all of about 2 weeks. So they had a crew out here, for 8 or 9 days, 8, 9, 10 days, somewhere in that range. And there was really no disruption at all. The feedback we've gotten on both sides, our employees and team was really excited to see this project go online, and especially, because it aligns with our goals to reduce our carbon footprint, and aligns with the mission for the Regenerative Organic Certification that we have. I think our experience has been spectacular, and I would certainly recommend them for any other wineries, and anyone that wants to. I think everybody should have solar these days. I know residential, there's incentives through the government. You can add it to your mortgage with low interest rates, all these kinds of things, which makes most people think, well, that's expensive and I can't make it happen. But the reality is there's a lot of options out there for people to look at. And for other wineries and other types of businesses, yeah, we think that this is something everyone should consider. And True Solar, did a great job for us. Truly professionals at the organization, just great communication amongst their team and with us. And I couldn't think of a better organization to recommend.